to the bone, bro. Yeah, man. That's how it is. Yeah. You know, if I want a good eat a chicken, this is where it's at. Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah. You can see.
I'm not gonna lie, I was here last night. I don't even eat jerk chicken in the US like this. And I was here last night. Right now, this is the best chicken right now. I can't tell us some taste. I'm not lying.
So where are you from in the States?
Brooklyn, New York. Yeah, man. Alright? Bless up.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. The customers love the chicken, man. From all over, you know. Come to Jamaica, come to Montego Bay. To have some of this jerk chicken, man. Jerking chicken here for 8 years. Yeah, man. It's a family thing, you know. I have family, grow up and see other family, brothers, bigger brothers. So we just get into it, you know. Yeah, family tradition, you know. Yeah, man. Westman. I'm from Westmoreland, that's why I get the name Westman, you know. Yeah, yeah, brother. So, yes, man, one love every time, alright? Best chicken ever. Yeah, I'm the goat.